Hi, my name is Shahab Rustami. I'm a software engineer over at Blueworx, and today I'll be demonstrating the Watson Virtual Agent and its integration into the Blueworx interactive voice response platform. In today's video, firstly, I'll be creating a Watson Virtual Agent bot, and then going over the means to configure and preview this bot via text, and finally, voice enabling and adding a telephony front end to the Virtual Agent bot with our Blueworx IVR. So, let's just jump in and get started. Firstly, we need to log into the Watson Virtual Agent website. From here, you are greeted with the Create a New Agent dashboard, as we currently have no virtual agents. This shows a number of capability packs that are provided by IBM as default. I'll go over what these capability packs are and why they are useful in just a moment. For this demonstration, I will be using the Customer Service for Telco capability pack. We can click View Details to display what capability packs covers. A capability is defined as the ability of your virtual agent chatbot to recognize and satisfy a specific customer goal. IBM offers these capability packs to make the building process of your virtual agent easier and more accessible. Each pack provides the most common capabilities required to meet the needs of their aligned industry. For example, the pack we are using provides common customer service capabilities for the telecommunications industry. If we scroll down, we can see under Information that there is a capability called Contact Us. Now, for this capability, this will use natural language processing techniques to evaluate the user's utterance, such as what are your contact details, and send a response defined in that capability, which in this case would provide contact information. Something else to note is that a number of these capability packs are provided in multiple languages, seen at the top here. Now, after selecting our capability pack, we are presented with a new prompt screen to enter the agent label and the agent description. So here, for the agent label, we will simply call it Blueworx Demo with WVA, and as a description, a simple demonstration of Blueworx IVR and a WVA bot. And then simply click Create. Now the bot has been created, we're presented with a new dashboard. This is a basic overview of your bot. On the left, we have an overview of the bot's key metrics over the past 7 days. And as we've just created the bot, there's obviously no data yet. On the right, we have a summary of the capabilities. Here we have the 107 capabilities that have been provided by the pack we had selected in the previous screen. You can see here that all 107 capabilities provided are active and enabled by default. Now, from here we can preview the bot and test the capabilities provided by the pack by simply clicking the preview button on the top right. This now presents us with a text interface into the agent. You can see that the virtual agent has responded first with a welcome prompt. Just as a simple test, we can type something related to the contact capability I mentioned earlier. I want some contact information. The bot responds appropriately, giving us some contact information, and the text interface itself, as we are in preview mode, presents us with the appropriate capability Contact Us if we wish to make any changes. To test out the natural language processing technique and demonstrate it through this interface, I'll try typing something a little less formal. Can I contact you guys through the phone or email or something? Again, you can see this is matched and responded accordingly. And just to test out a different capability, I can type in what's the company about to return us the About Us capability. For this demo, I want to update the Contact Us capability. So, for now, I will close this preview and try and view all the capabilities provided. Here we can see that the capabilities are separated into separate categories. Now we know that the Contact Us capability is under the Information section. Clicking and opening up this section will provide us with the capability name, its description, the type of response it will return, and whether it's active or not. Now, we will click on the Contact Us capability to be presented with some more prompts. Here we can see that the capability is enabled. We can see that the response type is text, which we will leave for now, and that there is a response setting of a text response. And this is just some generic information provided by the virtual agent. Now, we will change this to match the Blueworx information. And the email address info@blueworx.com, or by Twitter, go Blueworx. So, after this, we will click Save, and now we can return to the preview at the top right to test out these changes. You can see now that the virtual agent bot has been updated with this new information. So, now that we've created the virtual agent bot, configured some of its capabilities, and done some testing through the text interface provided by the WVA service, we now want to voice enable and provide a telephony front-end environment with Watson. This can be done using our Blueworx IVR. Firstly, we need to collect 3 pieces of information to enable us to connect to the bot from the Blueworx platform: the client ID, the client password, and the bot ID. The client information authenticates us against our IBM account, whilst the bot ID is used to retrieve the virtual agent bot we will be using. This is the same for any other application that wishes to connect to the Watson services. So, to get started, we will need to go to the documentation page. You can click on the top left navigation and then documentation. This provides some general information about the Watson virtual agent service, including the actual publishing of the bot. Here we can see the bot ID is provided in a sample script below. After taking note of the bot ID, we can then go to the IBM Developer Works API Explorer site, seen in the link here. After logging in, we are greeted with a typical Watson Virtual Agent API overview, and we can click on the Security tab to retrieve the client ID and the client secret. Now that we've collected this information, we will input this into a simple text file provided by the Watson orchestration application provided by IBM and hosted and supported on the Blueworx IVR platform. With this orchestration application, we can connect the virtual agent to our IVR and provide the telephony and voice-enabled front end we need. The simple text file looks as follows. You can see the bot's key, the bot password, the bot's ID. We can leave the bot's API date and version as is. Before we demonstrate the telephony front end, I'll just make some quick changes to the initial prompts of the virtual agent. I'll click on the settings tab at the top and add some more details to the greeting. Here we can see the agent name, which I will change to blue, and the greeting to a more detailed message regarding Blueworx. Here is a message I prepared earlier. With this, I can now save and just quickly test it again using the preview button. There we go. So now I'll call into the Blueworx IVR with the number provided and connect to the virtual agent bot. I'll keep the capabilities windows open in the background and show you how I can actually modify these capabilities in real time and have the virtual agent update automatically through the Blueworx platform and feed the changes back to us.
Hi, my name is Blue. I am here to demonstrate the Blueworx Watson integration. I am currently programmed to answer generic questions, such as contact or payment information, to show how a bot may interact with a user. You can ask, "How can you help?" to find out more. With that said, what can I help you with?
I want some contact information.
You can contact us by phone at 888-495-0005, by email at info@blueworx.com, or by Twitter at GoBlueworx, and of course, through me.
What can you help me with?
There are several things I can help you with. I can help you find the nearest store, make a payment, and answer many frequently asked questions. Where would you like to start?
I would like some information about the company.
I can tell you about our company. To change this response, edit the response associated with this intent.
I would like to know more about your company.
Changed information about the company. I see you have no other questions. Please feel free to call back if I can provide any additional help. Have a wonderful day.
There we can see that we've tested the capability we've modified, a random capability about how it can help us, and also we showed that we can change the About Us capability in real time, changing it from the generic default provided by the capability pack to this new prompt that we've entered here under the text response. That concludes this video on Watson Virtual Agent and the Blueworx IVR. If you would like to get in touch, please visit our website www.blueworx.com, by email info@blueworx.com, or on Twitter @GoBlueworx. Thank you.